Welcome to the world of self-service at USF, where we put control in your hands. In this video, we will show you all the information available to you in My Final Grades. From the MyUSF homepage, click on the Student Self-Service tile. Once you click on the Student Self-Service tile, you will be directed to the Student Self-Service landing page. Select View My Final Grades under Student Record. This will take you to your Student Grades page. You will see your name and student ID display at the top, next to Student Grades. Start by selecting the term that you'd like to see. Terms will only populate when you have at least one final grade reported in that term. In the case of this student record, I only have one term, which is summer 2024. When I pick my term, my primary curriculum for that term will display. If I click View Details, I will see the following information. Next, select your course level. Because I'm a new undergraduate student, I will select Undergraduate. If I became a graduate student after an undergraduate career at USF, I will see both levels display for me to choose which I want to view. When I click on Undergraduate, I see that I have one grade for this term. In order from left to right, I will see the course subject, course number and section number, followed by the course title. I will see the campus the course was taught on, along with my midterm and final grades. This is followed by my attempted hours, earned hours GPA, and quality points earned, along with the CRN. Because this course was a pass-fail course, I have a final grade of S for satisfactory, which does not impact my GPA or quality point calculation. If I click on course title, I will see much of the same information about the course that I reviewed when I registered, including the catalog information, course description, and section notes, attributes, restrictions, and any course requisites and fees. If I click on the CRN, even more information displays, including links to the bookstore, my instructor's email, and the seat information. If I remain an enrolled student at USF, and for up to 3 terms after, I will have access to come back and review this information. After that, I may receive this information by ordering an official transcript. There are additional videos that you can watch that provide in-depth instructions about the components of student self-service. Please check them out, and as always, go Bulls!